The answer is yes, you do need to store it in the fridge. But do not forget to wrap it first. As a rule, make sure that the ganache only lasts for 2 days at room temperature. Essentially, it would be best if you stored the ganache with a piece of plastic wrap. Because of that, ensure to press it against the surface. Doing so prevents any crust from forming. Moreover, it is okay to freeze ganache for several months. And when it is time to use it, ensure it thaws in the refrigerator. After that, let it come to room temperature. Also, bear in mind that liqueur needs a lower temperature to freeze compared to cream or chocolate. In addition to that, it will indeed reheat much faster. That is why you should remember this when you heat a microwave from frozen. Defrosting the ganache after freezing. The kind of chocolate you utilize will make a difference to the ganache. So with that, white and dark chocolates possess various melting points. For instance, dark chocolate is capable of withstanding higher temperatures. When you defrost the frozen ganaches, it would be difficult to remove them from the freezer. Make sure to defrost in the fridge overnight. You can slowly warm it in the microwave once you have defrosted it overnight. Preferably, you can also put the ganache in a bowl. Ensure that you set it over a pan of warm water and stir gently. What is ganache? For starters, you can make the ganache by mixing cream and chocolate. Ganache is multi-purpose, which is why you can use it as frosting, sauce, and glaze. In addition to that, you can use it as a filling in pastries and cakes. Aside from that, you can create truffles with it. Moreover, you can create the classic ganache by simmering cream. Then, pour the hot cream over the chopped chocolate. Afterward, whisk the mixture till the chocolate is shiny and smooth. Additionally, you can indeed modify the ganache's texture by utilizing various chocolate and cream ratios, which produces a soft ganache. Not only that, but also a more significant amount of chocolate creates a firm ganache. In addition to that, it will have the consistency of icing or thick paste at room temperature. How to store ganache? Wrap the ganache well. You can do this by putting plastic wrap or cling film. With this, do it on the container's surface, holding the ganache. As a result, it stops the development of sugar crust formation. Furthermore, make sure no moisture and air come into contact with the ganache. The number one cause is that it results in a change in texture. How long does ganache last? For the most part, the ganache's shelf life depends on the storage technique you used. In this regard, it will last for approximately a month when stored in the fridge. On the other hand, when you freeze the ganache, it can last for around 3 months. Moreover, it would help to put the date of when you made the ganache on its container. In so doing, you can monitor the ganache when it spoils in the fridge. Also, please check the ganache daily. You will know when it is near spoilage if there are slight color changes. Apart from that, you can taste your ganache for signs of sourness. Ganache's shelf life factors. How properly you made the ganache. The brand and kind of ingredients you purchased to make the ganache. The ratio of cream and chocolate utilized. Whether you made the ganache under sterile conditions. The environment's temperature when you created the ganache. Tips and tricks. To have a well-made ganache, bring the cream to a complete boil. After that, add it to the chopped up chocolate. Then, allow it to stand for 5 to 10 minutes. In addition to that, it will help lessen the temperature. The main reason is that it is best to create the emulsion-like ganache at 90 to 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Furthermore, it is essential to consider the proportion of cream to chocolate. Because of that, the more stable the ganache will be if the cream has a high fat content. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.